Welcome. Today we're introducing and unboxing the HiBREW H1B coffee machine along with the M1A milk frother. Let's start with the H1B coffee machine. This machine offers a single press on/off key for hot brewing mode, making it quick and easy to get started. After the machine heats up, simply press the extraction button to clean the system with water before brewing. Next, we'll use the DG capsule adapter, which allows you to brew your favorite Dolce Gusto capsules. For cold brew lovers, when the machine is powered off, just long press the power button to enter cold brew mode. You'll see the display reads hot, but don't worry. Press the extraction key to cool down the system to the desired temperature. You can also adjust the water level by pressing the cup volume button, customizing your coffee exactly how you like it. Now, let's move on to the M1A milk frother. We're going to make some delicious milk foam to top off your coffee. Just long press the power button to enter cold mode, perfect for making iced drink. Lastly, don't forget to attach the spout for smooth pouring. Now, you have the perfect ingredients for a creamy coffee latte. Enjoy your freshly brewed drink with the HiBREW H1B coffee machine.